in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for eastern Escambia County in south-central Alabama, south-central Conecuh County in south-central Alabama, until 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:39 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Riverview, or near Britton, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated.
How is Joe Biden reacting to criticism from lawmakers, both Republicans and Democrats, that this evacuation is a disaster? It's not being done well.
Well, he's digging in, not backing down, despite taking some major political hits. So what's really been, as you know, a very chaotic exit of this long war. He argues that the airport attack on Thursday is all the more reason to leave. It's just too dangerous.
Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Conecuh, and Escambia. The National Weather